How's it going, guys? Justin Savage here with MarineMax Venice. We are aboard a 2026 Boston Whaler 210 Vantage. I'm going to walk you through from stern to bow. Starting here, I have a 250 Verado from Mercury powering this boat. As you can see here, nice casting platform if you are out fishing at all. And then you can convert it into a nice family boat by simply flipping up these seat backs, and now you have forward-facing seating. You have a table mount right here. So if you are sitting back here, you have some room to put any kind of drinks or food that you're having while you're out on the water. This boat is equipped with a fishing package. So you have a live well that's underneath this seat, which also you can adjust to have backward seating or forward seating if it's just you and the significant other riding down the coast. Here on the dash, very simplistic, but a lot going on. So you have your upgraded 12-inch Simrad, your JL audio controls, your SmartCraft gauges, your Simrad VHF radio. You have electric trim tabs from Lenco, and you're also with the 250. You have digital throttle and shift, so it's very smooth. The old days of clunking into gear are no longer. That is simple and smooth. Here on the port side, you have a nice large head. Your table base and everything is neatly stored inside there. No rattling and anything like that. And then as you can see in the bow here, very large. You can sit up here on a rough day and not feel like you're going to get thrown out of the boat. You got plenty of stuff to hold on to. Nice tall seat backs, come up to your shoulders. Very comfortable boat. Come in and check it out. Love to walk you through it in person. Again, my name is Justin Savage. Come give us a visit. Thanks.